kan?
Nawa na nga man.
Habuk evidence tu feel jang ro.
In a recent incident, unidentified individuals hurled stones at the home of the MDC of Umsning Constituency, Magdalene S Mawlong. The targeted residence, located in Ladsharai, Ri-Bhoi District, became the focal point of what appears to be a pre-planned assault, with assailants choosing the afternoon hours to launch their attack. Fortunately, Mawlong was not present at the time of the incident. Upon arrival, authorities from the Umiam Police Station discovered numerous stones strewn across the property, prompting an ongoing investigation to identify and apprehend the perpetrators.
Habuk evidence tu feel jang ro.